Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get interactive Google Maps to your website using HTML code. So the first thing we want to do here is, of course, get the HTML code. And right here, I have a sample maps here, basically a result from Google Maps, and it's going to be 40 Castlemine Street in Australia. Now once you're here, only one click of button by the share button right there. Click on embed my map. Now you're going to have a choosing of small, a medium, or custom size, but for now I'm gonna go for medium. Simply copy HTML and then paste this in your bracket if you have JavaScript, and it works. And now after copying this HTML, again guys, you can choose your sizing from small to custom size. Now open up your bracket. As you can see right here, I have a sample bracket here, and basically this is how it should look like for the code. We have the basic header, we have the basic body, we also have the basic phone number and the address bar right there. And with that being said, we have the embedded code here. Again guys, this code right here, the embedded code, is the one we copied on Google Maps. Now if this is done, simply click on Ctrl S, save it, and it should look like this. Basically it's an HTML map right here. As you can see right there, it's basically an HTML map. Now if you open this up on your browser or any other browser, it should look like this. Now welcome back to the video. It should look like this. Again, this is basically our browser, and you can now use this one as interactive mode. There's the address, there's the phone you're looking for, and basically that's it. If you want to edit this, just edit the one that you have or your code for your brackets. For example, this one right here, just edit this part right there, change the code, and you're good to go. You can pause the video guys. Anything to do here, just copy this one. It's perfectly fine for me. Just edit the code on your end right there, and then you can have unlimited interactive Google Maps browser. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.